Are we going to be working with the MK or the EFF? Other political parties participate because they've got the red line for that.
To work with MK and EFF, we are working with everyone, and we have worked with everyone.
Liphawule ngezingxoxo zokusebenza neqembu lomkhonto wesizwe kanye neqembu le-EFF ele-DA ngesikhathi ke konakala phakathi kwezingxoxo zalo neqembu ke le-DA. Yangiqale nje ngubingelele ngwamkelele channel eMaswidi Mina Production. Mina igama lami ngumxolisi Mfana kaDlomo. Uma ngabe ke uyaqala ukufika kule channel, cela ukuthi kwenze iqiniso lokuthi uqhubeka subscribe maqedwe bale video, ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lo namhlanje. Udaba engize ngalo ke njengamanje luthi ke uphakamile umbuzo ngesikhathi ke umnumzane efikile Mbalula SG we-ANC kanye ke nomnumzane Panyaza Lusufi o-Premier we-ANC endaweni yaseGauteng bekhuluma nabezindaba. Umbuzo ke ubuthi ke bazosebenza okanye bengasebenza yini na neqembu le-ANC okanye lomkhonto wesizwe njengoba izinkulumo phakathi kwabo kanye neqembu le-DA zinga. Impendulo ke yeqembu le-ANC kulo mbuzo okanye ke impendulo ka-SG we-ANC umnumzane Fikile Mbalula ithe nje cho angeke baze basebenzisane ke nalamaqembu amabili umkhonto wesizwe kanye ne-EFF ngenxa yezinqumo ezathathwa yilamaqembu ngenxa yamagama alamaqembu ukuthi ke wona angeke azangene kwi-GNU uma ngabe kukhona amaqembu athize, angeke baze bangene kuhulumeni ubambiswano uma ngabe kukhona amaqembu athize. Ngizokukhumbuza nje ukuthi iqembu ke lomkhonto wesizwe lalichitha kakhulu lona ukuthi ke i-ANC eholwa uRamaphosa angeke baze basebenzisane nayo, iyona ANC abangahambisani nayo, kanti iqembu le-EFF kanye umnumzane Julius Malema wakubeka kwacaca wathi yena akazungena kwi-GNU eneqembu le-FF Plus kanye neqembu le-DA. Wathi nje akanankinga nokubambisana okanye nokusiza i-ANC, kodwa wathi uma kukhona lamaqembu amabili angeke nangebhadi aze ke alibeke kule GNU. Kanza kwethu ngicela ukuthi uyizwele ukuthi ke umnumzane Fikile Mbalula uyibeke kanjani le ndaba kanye ke no-Premier waseGauteng. Mangabe kusuqedile ungenzela iqiniso ukuthi uqhubeka subscribe, ya like bese uyakhomenta, sithibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.
Are we going to be working with the MK or the EFF? The EFF and MK have said that they don't want to be part of the GNU. We have repeatedly said that to you. So we don't know where the question arises. They said they don't want to be part of the GNU where other political parties participate because they've got the red line for that. And they've made their positions very clear that they don't recognize it. So that question does not arise to us.
Are you going to work with MK and EFF? We are working with everyone, and we have worked with everyone, as guided by the statement that the SGF indicated. What we are going to do, and we've done it, all the political parties that are part of the Gauteng legislature, all of them have agreed to work with us, including the DA.